Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. A one, a two, a three, go. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I've just got a fun experimental video. I previously saw a video by Simply Nailogical mixing all of her nail chrome powders, and then Safiya Nygaard, I don't know if I'm saying her name correctly, she mixed all of her foundations together, and then I also saw Alissa Ashley mixing all of her makeup together and applying it on her face. So I wanted to join the fun, and I figured why not just mix all of my glitters together, because that's the one thing that I have an abundance of. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I am a glitter fanatic. Glitter on the eyes, glitter on the nails. Like, I like sparkly, shiny tints. I have about 73, 72 glitters. I counted them all. Yeah, I know that's a lot. So I have my cosmetic glitters for eyeshadows and all that stuff for my face. And then I have non-cosmetic glitters that I use for my nails. I'm going to be mixing everything together in this video. I'm a risk taker. I'm a rebel sometimes when it comes to this stuff. So don't copy me. Especially with a mixture of non-cosmetic glitter that does not belong on your face. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you guys some clips of me mixing these glitters. And then I'm going to come back. We're going to bring you in a little bit closer and apply it to the eyes. And then apply it to the press-on nails as well. Here's a quick shot of what some of the glitters look like. Remember, I'm mixing over 70 of these, but I'm just gonna stop talking now and you guys can just watch me mix all of these glitters. Back and up close and personal, not too close though. Usually I'll only show you guys like one zoomed in eye, but I just decided not to for this video. Here is what the glitter is looking like. I have a whole lot of glitter. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this. It just looks like straight up confetti to me at this point. I'm gonna be using the Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. This is the base that I use for all of my glitter applications for makeup. I'm gonna pour a little bit of the glitter base onto my mixing plate. I'm not sure how much I'll need, but we can always add more later. I'm patting the brush into the glitter base and then into the glitter. This is actually kind of pretty on the eyes. So here's what it looks like on the eyes. It reminds me of confetti / hollow. Because of the glitter mix, I did add some more, so it was pretty wet on the eyes at some point. But I feel like because of that, some of the eyeshadow colors did start to kind of mix in with the glitter. So it gave the glitter a bit of an orange tint in some places. But I'm actually feeling this. Like, this is a look. So let's go ahead and jump right into a press-on nail tutorial and we'll see what this looks like on the nails. These are the same steps I do with all of my press-on nail tutorials. I'm using the McCart nails in clear and I've already shaped them how I like. Then using sticky tack to mount them onto my chessboard nail practice stands. Next I'm mixing the glitter with some IBD gel and then applying it onto the nails. I cured them in my UV LED lamp for 90 seconds and I did add a second layer and I cured again. After that I removed the sticky layer with 99% alcohol and buffed down each nail. I then used the DIY hard nails top coat, cured that for 60 seconds and then removed the sticky layer with 99% alcohol. To apply these you can use regular nail glue, but I can't wear them like that because of my job, so I use nail adhesive tabs. Remove excess oils from the nail beds by wiping them with an alcohol pad, and then apply the adhesive tabs. Peel off the top layer to expose the sticky side, and press each fake nail onto your own nail. Hold it down to make sure it's secure, and this is what the end result should look like. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching me mix all of my glitters together that ended up looking like confetti. But you know what? This eye look though, I feel like I made the right decision putting those vibrant colors into the crease because it really made the eye look pop. How I'm feeling myself just a little bit, just muy poquito. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to thumbs it up and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out because I'm about to have a bomb picture of this look, just so you know. But I'm also on Snapchat, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, so follow me on there. I love interacting with you guys via those outlets. Are they outlets? Social media forums? Social media apps. There we go. And that is officially all for this video. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.